There's so much room for activities in this engine bay, Rex.
This is why I got it.
So what, you wanna put more stuff in here?
No, I might put a bigger stuff in there.
You want to put a bigger stuff in there?
Yeah.
Good. I'm glad
With your help.
With my help. Okay.
Yes. What do you think would look good in there?
A 2JZ, a V8, a LS swapped FRS. Literally anything other than this engine.
No, don't say that. This could
Well, not a rotary, because Tommy's not here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe a rotary. No, I think 2JZ would be good.
2JZ?